Good morning, guys. It is Friday and today I am heading up to Ruffy for the pleasure drive, and I've got lots of stuff to do, so I'd better just get on with it. I've given the other horses a couple of hay bales for the weekend to keep them fed, top up their water, hay delivery time. We're all stocked up on hay. I'm filthy. So the big horses are all set for the weekend, and it is super windy and the weather is forecasted to be pretty crap, so this could be a disaster of a weekend, but we'll see. Time to go to the supermarket. Alright, I got my dinners and snacks in there, and I've got my breakfast and lunches in here, and these are some snacks for Jet for looking after my house. Got all my electronics charging. I need to wash his little saddle pad because it got wet the other day. So I'm back at the paddock. I'm just trying to figure out the configuration of how I'm going to put everyone in there. I think I might put Pan up the front and then put the cart behind it and just have the shaft sticking up there and tie it in with a bungee cord. This is my new cart, by the way. It's a Mark Burton cart. Ooh la la. This is my CDE compliant cart, so that's what I'll be competing in, and thought I'd take it for a test drive for the pleasure drive and see how we go. It is a lot heavier than the other one, but I have driven in it for 5 minutes a couple of days ago, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, just need to get the horse in and get that in, and then we can head off. I'm a bit behind schedule, but that's all right. Oh, he's used to going on that side. But buddy, I need you to come around this side. And come in here. Oh, this one's so much heavier than the other one. Alright, I think I got it all in there good. He's at the front, cart's here. I've chocked the wheels with hay and a chock, and I've also got another bungee cord that I might just put around the back here and to here, just so it can't really move that much. And off we go. Alright, I've just arrived. Yards are over there. So I'm going to go take him over and pop him in, get him settled in. Alright, he's all set up. I had to put an extra line because they're meant to be mini friendly, but if he wanted to squeeze under there, he definitely could. Alright, I got my little bed set up here. I can see Pan just there. I'm not confident that those ropes are going to keep him in, but he shouldn't go far if he does get out.
No!
Pan's meeting
I bet people think he's a foal all the time.
Oh, they say, is he fully grown? Oh, he's so cute.
You're keeping one ear warm too. Oh, there.
And put your sausage on board.
4 o'clock in the morning, and it started raining about half an hour ago. It's quite loud, but up until then I was sleeping pretty good. Yeah, so nice and warm in here. My sleeping bag and blankets and stuff, but I'm trying to go back to sleep. Good morning. I'm just checking, and Pan's still there and Minnie's still there, so that's good. He did escape yesterday and someone put a little thing across the gate for me, which was very kind. Linda arrived last night around 8 o'clock, and it's about 8 a.m. now, we don't need to leave until like 11, I think. So just gonna have a leisurely morning. The enduro is just about to start.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go,
Love your dog.
Lucky last. There you go.
It's been an absolute shit show to tack up. We're just about to hop on and get going. Well, we lost the convoy. He's being very dramatic about life, but he's trotting nicely. He hasn't stopped. He's gonna get really tired. He's being a good boy. He's listening to me. Steady. I found somebody to drive back with. We're heading back now. So nicely walking because he is tired. We're going for about 45 minutes, so by the time we get back it'll be almost a 2-hour ride, so that's good. Oh, we made it back. Rugs on just in time because it started to rain. Oh, they're happy to be home. Good morning. I'm still snuggled up in bed. It's so cold and windy, and yeah, I think I'm gonna head home today because the pleasure drivers are heading to the picnic ground, which is 14 kilometers away, and it's just too much for little Pan to do 14 there and then 14 back. But anyway, I had a really fun time. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm going to finish off this video with some clips of the endurance horses heading out today. So enjoy. Bye.
3, 2, 1. Go. Cut on. Go for it. Cut on. 1, 2, 5. I was too busy talking. Oh, yeah, we still got some go. Come on, Dave. Get it up there.
Thank you. Thank you very much.